Lamichhane is one of the stars of this year's Under-19 Cricket World Cup. Now, whether that's him, brilliant, absolutely brilliant from Lamichhane. It was a fantastic delivery, bit of drift.
Namibia in bobber now, 113 for 5.
Oh, lovely hit. Oh, not enough though. Good catch. Deependra Airi picks up the catch right on the boundary line. He departs for 39. It's 212 for 6. Goes aerial again. Fielder at long on. Positions himself. Van Lingen. Magnificent innings. He goes for 58. 212 for 7.
Googly, this could be another wicket. Take over, it's a low catch underneath. One follows the other. The Sandeep Lamichhane gets a wicket.
It's one of the keys for a leg spinner. Oh, look at that turn. Took the batsman by surprise. Now, where did that come out from?
Shane Warne would have been pleased with this. That's an absolute ripper.
Well, this is the one that went square the last over. Oh, I'd love to see that. If the ball hadn't turned, the blue line. Wow, it's a big difference. And taken a soft dismissal. Losing wickets in clumps.
In the air and a wicket. Lamichhane deserves that, and it's the end of Badar. Good innings, good partnership.
And that's out. The sweep shot that has been so effective for Mohsin has come to his demise. Well, that's big, that's long, but it doesn't look like it's got the distance. Straight up, and a very good catch taken by Damala.
Oh, lovely hit. Oh, not enough though. Good catch. Deependra Airi picks up the catch right on the boundary line. Goes aerial again. Fielder at long on. Positions himself. Karki picks it up.